Welcome to Pick of the Week from Power Semiconductors Weekly. Top industry stories this week. Nexperia issued an open letter after repeated unanswered outreach to its China-affiliated entities, warning of mounting supply chain risk and customer production delays. The company urges immediate structured negotiations to restore predictable flows, alignment with corporate governance and lawful directives, and signals readiness for third-party mediation, while acknowledging Chinese authorities' efforts to facilitate export resumptions. ROHM launched a 100-volt N-channel MOSFET in a 5x6 package optimized for 48-volt hot swap and battery protection. With 4 milliohm RDS-on and a wide SOA, it manages inrush and transients while boosting thermal and electrical efficiency in a dense AI server power paths. Littelfuse introduced a 200-volt auto-junction MOSFET delivering 480 amps current with just 1.99 milliohm RDS-on. Its isolated ceramic package enables topside cooling and 2.5 kV RMS isolation, reducing parallel devices. It targets DC switching, battery energy storage systems, industrial power supplies, chargers, and an aerial immobility power. Toshiba released a 600-volt N-channel MOSFET using superjunction technology for server power supplies, industrial SMPS, and PV inverters. In a compact 8x8 package, it achieves Toshiba's lowest 600-volt RDS-on in this package at 47 mA. SPICE models and an on-light simulator support high-density designs. ST Microelectronics unveiled a GaN Spin, integrated 650-volt GaN half bridge plus driver for motor drives in appliances, tools, and industrial gear. It delivers low RDS-on, adjustable slew rates, EMI-optimized switching, and full protections in a 9x9 package. We'll be back next week. Meanwhile, get your daily updates at powersemiconductorsweekly.com.